Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have encountered at some point. Picture this. You're working on your computer, try and save a crucial file, and suddenly, oops, the file gets accidentally deleted. Yep, that's the problem we're tackling today. Losing important files can be frustrating, but fear not, because we've got a solution for you. In this scenario, where precious files vanish into thin air, the solution lies in using a data recovery software. These specialized programs are designed to scan your storage device, locate deleted files that are still recoverable, and restore them safely back to your system. By utilizing a data recovery software, you can often retrieve lost files and avoid a major headache. Remember, prevention is key, so it's always a good idea to back up your files regularly to avoid the data loss problem in the future. Now, you might be wondering how exactly these data recovery tools work their magic. Well, the software operates by scanning the storage device sector by sector, searching for remnants of deleted files. Once located, it reconstructs the files and allows you to recover them with just a few clicks. It's like having your own digital detective to rescue your lost data. Just remember to act fast once you realize a file has gone missing, as the chances of successful recovery decrease the more you use your device after the deletion. In summary, encountering a file deletion problem can be a major inconvenience, but with the right solution at hand, you can breathe a sigh of relief. By using data recovery software, you can often retrieve those lost files and get back to business in no time. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment below sharing your own data recovery tales. Remember, a backed up file is a happy file.